Hi everyone! Welcome back to Tempcoder Tech, where we break down PowerShell for beginners and pros alike. Today, we're focusing on managing services in PowerShell using commands like get service, start service, stop service, and more. Let's get started with listing all the service-related cmdlets you'll need. To begin, let's use get command to list all the PowerShell cmdlets related to services. This will show you the full range of commands available for managing services on your system. This command displays all service-related cmdlets, like get service, start service, stop service, restart service, resume service, and new service. Each of these has its own function for managing system services, so let's go over them one by one. Let's start with get service, which allows you to list and view the status of all services on your system. Running get service without any parameters displays a list of all services along with their statuses. Here, you'll see the service name and its current status, like running or stopped. To filter by a specific service, simply add the name parameter, followed by the service name. This command shows the status of the Windows Update service. You can use this to check if specific services are running or stopped. Next, let's look at start service. This cmdlet allows you to start any stopped service. Let's say you want to start the Windows Update service. You can do this by specifying the service name. Running this command starts the Windows Update service. You can use this for any stopped service by replacing the name accordingly. Now, to stop a running service, we use stop service. Let's stop the Windows Update service as an example. This command stops the specified service. In this case, Windows Update. Be cautious when stopping services, especially those critical to system functions. Sometimes, you may need to restart a service to refresh it. The restart service cmdlet combines stopping and starting into a single action. This command stops and then immediately restarts the specified service. It's useful for services that might need a quick reset without manual intervention. Certain services can be paused temporarily. To resume them, use resume service. This only works on services with a paused status. Running this command resumes the service if it's paused. Not all services support pausing and resuming, but for those that do, this cmdlet is quite handy. And as you can see in the error message, Windows Update service don't support resume service. Finally, let's look at creating a new service using the new service cmdlet. This is more advanced and requires administrator privileges. Let's create a simple example service. This command creates a new service named PowerShell service, with the executable specified in the binary path name. You'll need to replace c:\path/ to /my/program.exe with the path to the executable you want to run as a service. You can set the startup type to automatic, manual, or disabled. Here's a practical example combining these commands. Let's create a script that checks if a service is stopped, starts it if needed, and confirms its status. In this example, we check if the PowerShell service is stopped, start it if necessary, and output a message to confirm its status. This script can be customized for any service you need to monitor and manage. You will find the script in the description. To wrap up, PowerShell provides a powerful set of cmdlets for managing services on your system, from starting and stopping to creating new ones. Mastering these commands is essential for any sysadmin looking to manage services efficiently.